Hi, I'm Matthew, and today we're gonna do a little unboxing video. You guys getting tired of seeing me unbox stuff? Well, I talked a little trash about this company, and even though I tried multiple times to order from Yaqi this razor, finally, I don't know, maybe you gotta try 8 times to buy something from them. They never said, hey, we saw your video, but anyway, I just wanted this razor. So I was persistent, and finally, it's here. I don't know if it's gonna tell us on the label of the box. Nope. And I can't remember the name of it. Red Demon or something along those lines. They kind of take the packaging on similar to Razor Rock, our Italian barber, with the paper and the black box. Of course, it's not together, but eek. Threading's not very nice. Is that me? Optical illusion? But anyway, this is a steel handle of some sort. It may not be stainless steel, and like a cast head, but this is a dual open comb, kind of like the Slock or the Ascension razor by Yaqi. And in the picture it had their logo across the front. I'm not too disappointed that it's not on there, but the knurling does feel nice on the handle. The coating doesn't really feel like a powder coating. To me, it feels a little bit grippy, almost like a 1970s enamel paint. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of disappointment. I mean, what do you expect? But yeah, I mean, maybe I'm not too disappointed. I mean, it's here. It's an attractive looking razor. How it performs, I will not know until the next video. You guys have a good one, and stay tuned. If you don't want to see any more unboxing videos, make a comment below. Thanks for watching.